Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. I'm going to get straight to it. Last night, the culinary expedition was in Denmark. And what I prepared, Nordic noodle tomato soup. Not your traditional American tomato soup and or bisque. Very different. Very brothy. Yeah, it was good. I tried something new yesterday. I've done a lot of recordings and I've done some lives, not a lot. But I decided to record and present a cooking demonstration of last night's meal. I hope to do more of those in the near future. Last night was a great test because it is such a simple meal. Hopefully, as time and my energy allows, more of those will be coming. All right, I've been saving this recipe for a few weeks. This one has actually been submitted or posted by Gianji, who is a Casual Chef member. She has her own Facebook page and or group, and she, not daily, but pretty much almost at least every other day, she is posting a recipe in Casual Chef's Kitchen. This is her Bok Choy Stir-Fry. I love bok choy, especially baby bok choy. So this one caught my eye. So like I said, I've been saving this for a couple weeks, and I'm going to do it today. I'm just going to put one ingredient into this, or maybe two, depending, how prep goes, and how I feel. But I'm going to keep it pretty to Gianji's recipe. So let's just get to it. Okay, I've got a bunch of baby bok choy. Not the prettiest I've seen, but this will work. The ingredient I'm going to add is some yellow onion. I love onion in stir fries, and I just could not help myself. So yeah, yellow onion. But the rest of it is Gianji's. Oil for the wok, just a splash or two of stock, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, just a couple splashes, some sesame oil, some sugar, and I'm going to be serving that over long grain white rice. So as you can see, a nice little simple stir fry. The bok choy basically, the baby bok choy basically stays whole. I mean, we cut basically the individual leaves get stir fried. It's not going to get chopped up. And it should be pretty once it's plated. So on this Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.